Hey there! If you want to view websites in Safari on your iPhone just like they appear on a desktop computer, you're in the right place. This can be especially handy for accessing sites that might limit functionality on their mobile version. Let's dive in and learn how to enable desktop mode. Step 1. Enable desktop mode for a specific website. First, open Safari on your iPhone. Next, navigate to the website you'd like to view in the desktop mode. Then tap the A icon or the square icon in the top left corner of the address. After that, select Request Desktop Website from the drop-down menu. Now the page will refresh and show you the desktop version of the site. Step 2. Set Safari to always request desktop websites. To start, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to find Apps. After that, scroll down until you locate the Safari browser. Now scroll down to the Settings for Websites section. Tap on Request Desktop Website. Finally, toggle all websites to on if you want Safari to always load the desktop version for all sites. And there you have it. By following the simple steps, you can easily enable and switch to desktop mode in Safari on your iPhone, giving you a full access to websites just like you would on a computer. If you have any questions or need a bit more help, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Happy browsing!